face, track my face.
That Miley Cyrus. Oh, Bumpy! Damn. I'm gonna get a noodle. I feel like I look a bit messy right now. Boiled morning glory, crackling, braised beef shin. You must be wondering, Anastasia, what are these spots on your shirt? Tight pen. I walked 7 minutes for this. Say hi. Oh, and when he saw me, he was so excited he started drooling.
I started drooling.
Then we are going to Dream World. Are you excited?
I think it will be fun.
Some charcoal bread. Oh,
Sugar.
oh, so good. We're on the way to Dream World. We're here. Guys, it feels a bit scary. You know why? Because there's like nobody. This is my mic. Hello, everybody. Welcome. It feels a bit like a hospital.
I have now given them all my property.
Wait, it's really like a hospital.
And now we have promotion for Magnum ice cream.
Oh,
You
okay.
can buy one and free one.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. A bit dystopian. No, because I think there's like a lack of people, which is like great.
No, they're just going on.
Oh no, there are people, but it's just like not human.
Oh wait.
Oh, there's people. Oh hell yeah. Who is the designer? Okay, where should we go first?
22, 23, there are some roller coasters here.
Okay, we're going.
I think there's quite a bit of a distance to walk inside.
There's a charm to this place. Babe, can we play this one? Oh my god, can you take from me?
Oh. Wait.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. There's just a random market in the middle of the theme park also. So I guess it's really multifaceted. There are a lot of babies. Every time there's a restroom, they put a baby. We're now going to Snow Town. So I guess we have to change into other shoes. Whoa! Oh my god! What the hell? Winter Wonderland! No, seriously, this place is a fever dream, bro. And there are a lot of school kids. I don't know, this is very random. It is a freaking fever dream.
Yes.
Oh no!
It's okay.
Hell yeah! What the hell? If we wave to them, do you think they'll wave back? Oh my god, they wave back. They wave back. Getting siumai, ice milk tea. It's not too sweet. Guys, I'm not joking. This place is truly a fever dream. Because what do you mean there's a see-through toilet? A see-through toilet. Wait, can you go in? Why don't you go in and tell me what you see?
Sure.
Oh my god. So I just finished the tornado. For me, it was a freaking 1 out of 5 because like midway, my hair was covering my face and then like I was dizzy as shit. Couldn't see anything. And now I feel like puking just a little bit. Thoughts and prayers.
5 out of 5. Astronaut centrifuge ride. Very good.
It was great. Like you could feel like the J-force. You could feel like your face getting pulled down, right?
It's quite fun.
I'm still a bit unwell, but I really want to try this one. Black hole coaster. Let's go.
That was interesting.
Okay, think Revenge of the Mummy, right? But inside is dark and it's hot one. Oh! 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 Now we are going to a haunted mansion. Do you think you would be scared? Hey, what if I scared?
Scream together.
Oh! Shit! Bumpy! Lucifer? Oh, witchcraft. Dracula. Hey! I'm scared. What the hell?
That's quite cool. Oh, the chandelier is made of
Mom, I just said mom. Can you hold me? I'm scared. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Babe, I don't want to... Oh. What the... Wait.
Why?
I'm scared. Why are we doing this? Oh, man.
Mummies.
What the... Oi!
Meow.
Ah! Are we done?
No.
What the... What the... Oh, Bumpy! What the... We're now going to the animal farm. There's pigs, and there's turtle, guinea pig.
Can we get this one?
One.
Okay, 50 baht.
Okay, parrot, morning glory, seeds. Hi everybody, welcome to MTV Cribs. Today we're gonna feed my farm animal.
You want no mouth?
Oh, what the hell is that?
Oh.
Oh,
Got pig.
oh,
I don't know what theme park we're in right now.
oh.
Wow.
Boy.
Hello, buddy. Sorry, I do not have any food for you.
Hi, you're just a baby. Hey piggies. Hey piggies. Hey girl. KFC.
Wow.
KFC. Bok. Okay. Oh, these are heavy chains. Oh, it's a baby. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Would you like some? Do you want to try?
Sure. You are now.
My child.
Oh. Hello.
Oh.
Oh, man is on my shoulder now.
Okay. Oh, do you see? Oh. It's
Hello, buddy.
I don't want.
No.
He was just checking my ear just now.
Oh, this and this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's me and you. Oh, they're together. They're a couple.
Oh,
They're
okay.
a couple. That's so sweet. You guys are a couple.
Oh,
Damn.
am I a Disney princess now?
Da-na-na-na-na. Got some ice. Shaved ice. Yes. This is very cute, guys. This is really cute. Look at this. So cute! I would love this as a child. Straight in. Alright. Got cavities? Eee! Babe!
Oh, it's leather. Ah!
What the? No, it's only this thing. Ew. Wait, it's only these things.
Oh, it's just the top two.
It's just the top.
I think it's because people bang their heads into it if they can't.
Oh, that's very sweet. But it's kind of gross too, huh? Dragon Cave.
Okay, good that we did not miss this out.
Yeah. Oh. 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 There's a princess. We're going into giant house. Let's see what it is. Oh, it is the giant's house. He's breathing. Ooh. What is this? What does it do? Oh! Wow, it's interactive. Look at his cleaning supplies. Oh, they're eggs. I don't know. Okay, babe, I don't know why it's going off to one side.
สถานีวิจัยเอเลี่ยนจากภาพข่าวเมื่อเร็วๆนี้ทุกท่านคงทราบแล้วว่ามีอุกกาบาตรูปทรงประหลาดได้พุ่งตรง
Now we're going to Viking. We have been to a lot of questionable rides, but you know what? That's what I love about this place. We're done. We're done. Everything is really fun, and if you come to Thailand, I highly recommend you to come to Dreamworld. Especially on a freaking Wednesday afternoon because nobody is here.
It's true, and then you just get to go on as many rides as you
Yeah,
want.
you just keep going, and it was really fun. Right now we're going to Central World Mall, and then we're gonna get Cheesecake Factory. This person ran up to us with 4 frames.
Everything
Of
printed
course
out
we
already.
bought, yeah, like print it ready. So we bought lor. Okay lah, quite funny. Then we'll put in our new house. Lemau. Guess where we are at?
Sakuntala's. Constructed.
The brown bread is
Yeah.
The brown bread is very nutty, malty. Okay, go. How can I report him? We ordered the egg roll sampler, crab rangoons, the spicy chipotle pasta, and then one of the bacon cheeseburger. Okay, crab rangoons. Oh my god.
Looking good.
Gorgeous. Okay, the next one is the egg roll sampler. There's an avocado one. There's a
Corn and something.
yeah, I think a Mexican style. This is the salmon one, and then this is the cheeseburger.
Okay.
We will eat now. Goodbye. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you. It's okay, huh? Fast.
Halfway check-in.
Still going strong.
Still going strong, you
Yeah.
think?
Yeah.
We finished the whole platter of egg rolls. There's 3 crab rangoons left. Half the burger is gone. One third of the pasta is gone. We are very happy people right now. Is this a good choice to come to Cheesecake Factory after Dreamworld and not having lunch?
100% recommend.
That's right.
The chili guy.
I keep bumping into the mic, by the way. Okay, anyways. Defeated, of course. And then, we couldn't decide on a cheesecake.
So we got all
So
of
we
them.
got. So we actually just got original. We wanted to get the s'mores one because Adolfo said the s'mores. He recommended the s'mores one. But then we couldn't decide. So in the end, we said, just get the damn original. Yeah. Show them the cheesecake. At the Cheesecake Factory, so you have to get the cheesecake. Gentlewoman bag bought. Cheesecake Factory tapao. Thai milk tea bought. Then perfumes bought. We are now at Big C. And today isn't even our allocated shopping time. Okay, shall we go now? Okay, actually I saw something I want there, so can we go there
Oh
first?
my god. Oh, shredded squid.
5 minutes in.
Shredded squid.
Thoughts and prayers about Big C.
Not bad, but only went through one floor today.
Hello everybody, CB and I would like to show you the haul today.
Please begin. I need to get my haircut. Transition to my haircut. No.
Don't make me edit this kind of thing. Can you hold it near my mouth? I bought a... Okay, that's too near.
It's a boom,
Wow.
boom, boom mic.
I bought a... Okay, relax, huh? I bought a gentle monster, I almost said. Gentle woman bag because I feel like it would make a very, very nice work bag. Hopefully I get a job.
Go.
Only 2,490 baht. So that's about like...
That's more than $10.
Wow. Thanks, babe. About SGD like 100 or less than 100 lah. See? No, and I like it because it's huge. And then I like really big bags where I can just throw my whole country inside. Yeah?
$96.
This sweet man held all the bags for me while I tried on other bags. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, next. CB, would you like to share what you bought?
Sure. A treat for the olfactory system, your perfumes. butterfly Thai perfume,
That's right.
agarwood and benzoin.
Mm-hmm.
This is quite nice for office wear, I guess.
It's really nice.
And then this one, smoked agarwood. It's quite heavy, but honestly, it smells a bit like
The fire.
by the fireplace.
Yeah. Insert image here. Okay.
Put image on my face, track my face.
I won't do that, yeah?
Next, we have some decants as well. All of them are Smile.
Smile.
Yeah, they're just called Smile.
Very nice.
So like, subscribe, and maybe we might send this to you guys. This is
Xiao
not.
bo,
this
I'm not sending anything to anybody. I have average 5 likes on my YouTube videos, okay? Shut the hell
So
up.
all 5 people who like this video, the first 5 people will
Nothing.
get 10 rupiah.
5 rupiah. Oi! That one is crunchy.
Hello.
CB got a haircut in the morning, and now today's itinerary. We're going to the medical museum because I wanted to just visit a museum, and then we will eat along the river. Apparently there's a river. Oh yeah, floor 2. Here. Go museum. I personally think that it was a little intense because they just show things, but there were actually a lot of like students as well over there, so I think that it's great that they get to see different things. I did get a little bit scared at some point of time because it was like a bit graphic, like stuff. Yeah, I think it's still a really good chance to understand the fragility of human life, and like if you are curious about stuff like that. What about you? How did you feel about it?
It's actually quite interesting. Would recommend.
Yeah, I still would recommend,
Take a look.
but come with somebody maybe. I was a little scared.
They have a lot more samples.
Yeah, they have a lot. They have like rows of skulls and
A lot of hearts,
Hearts.
lungs.
spleen, liver, kidney. The other anatomy museum, and then I opened it. Please return the key. Please return the key. Wait, this is really funny. Isn't that Miley Cyrus? Please return the key. Please return the key. Third building museum we're going to. Beautiful day.
Text her. She said you must watch Demon Slayer. The boat is made of teak and iron.
So we just finished the museum, and I really think that it's a great experience because like besides just the viral like stuff, like I think some parts are viral about it, like the preserved body parts obviously, but I feel like there are also some like historical parts, like the boat, like they unearthed a boat when they were building. I think those parts are equally as interesting as well.